Hey guys, I'm back in Texas. If y'all can't tell, this is my bedroom. Today I'm organizing my makeup because it looks like this and this is not good. I did bring a lot of makeup because I didn't know how long I'm staying in Texas for. I still don't know how long I'm staying in Texas for. So I have this whole drawer, it's filled of makeup. My bed actually has makeup, and then my food that I was eating right now. Some boba. We're just gonna ignore that. Oh yeah, my ring light's over there because that's where I do my makeup with that little mirror. And then down here has all my palettes and more makeup stuff. Basically, we're organizing everything. So these are my drawers. I have this drawer that's empty. Well, not really, but it's empty. And then I have this empty drawer, and then I have this empty drawer. I don't think I'll be using all three. I think I'm gonna be using these two, but I do have a lot of makeup. I also have some brushes. Like, all my brushes really need to get cleaned. I didn't clean them before I got here because I had to clean my whole entire apartment. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I might just do this like ASMR video because we got a lot to do. I'm trying to finish this in like 30 minutes. It's not much. Really, it's everything just needs to get put in a drawer because literally I can't even do my makeup. Like, over here, this is organized for me. Like, in here has like little stuff like mascara, little setting sprays, like little stuff. So these are all good. It's just everything else. Like, over here has a bunch of setting sprays, foundations, new makeup, eyeshadow palettes, brushes, more brushes, eyeshadows, and in that bag has only eyeshadows. I brought a whole lot of eyeshadows because, again, I'm still doing my project pan, and again, I don't know how long I'm gonna be here, so in case I do get an update here, I brought some extras. And then my bed has eyeshadows. Those eyeshadows I actually used today for these look. I have some trash from makeup that I opened. I have more makeup in that bag, some new makeup from Ulta. Oh, I did do a haul on TikTok. And then some more brushes, sponges that I bought. But yeah, we're gonna be organizing this as best as I can. So first, I'm going to do a time lapse of me organizing everything in like sections, like face products, eye products, and all that, and then from there we're gonna put it in the drawers. So that's what you're gonna see now. So all of my desk things are organized. Over here has all primers. Over here has like sprays. Here's concealers. Here's our foundation, bronzer, highlighters, blush, new products, powders. Those are just brushes and stuff. Over here has my face palettes, and over here all have eyeshadow palettes. And again, these are all everything that was on my desk. I haven't done the bed yet. So from this, I'm just gonna start putting stuff in here. So this is how the first drawer is looking like. It's basically on my base products. Now I'm going to start working on the bed first and organizing that, and then we're gonna add it to the drawer. And this is how my bed is organized. Over here has like one-off products of like eyebrows, primers, glues, mascara, anything just like one. Over here are concealers, lip products. Over here has like brushes and stuff, bronzers, highlight, eyeshadow palettes, blushes, lashes, little creams, eyeshadow stuff, primers, setting sprays, random stuff, and a powder. I kind of have everything lay flat here, or like lay one row so I can see everything. I still have all these left, so I do think I'll be ending up using all three. This is my trash bag. Anyways, we're gonna start this one. So this is how the second drawer is looking. It's already kind of full, but I realized I have like random stuff left, which is my lip products and like single stuff. And my little mirror thing is already like full. So I'm trying to see if I can take anything out and switch it out, because I don't want these to be like falling in here, because then I won't remember those. So I feel like these stuff will be able to come out, like these concealers, that blue mascara. Actually, no, the mascara can stay in there. Basically all these concealers and stuff, they can come out. And instead we'll put these things. And hopefully they fit. Okay, they do. And then the second one, I mostly have like lip stuff. This can come out. The setting spray can come out. This lip gloss. We're gonna see if these fit. Okay, we're gonna take out the long ones and just put in the small ones. Okay, this elf one will not fit. Let's see. Okay, those will not fit, so we're gonna just put some little stuff in there because I also want to max out the space. Okay, that will not fit. Okay, there you go. I usually use this NYX all the time, so I do want to put this in the top one. Try not to cover anything, but like, it's kind of hard. Put setting spray, lips. These two drawers have my face products. I actually bought a lot of face products just for a little bit of time. That's a lot concerning. But now we're going to work on eyeshadow palettes down here. And that's everything in that bag. So that's going to be really interesting to put in. Also, these drawers don't come out all the way. So yeah. So I don't think all my eyeshadows will fit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep the ones that I use basically every single day out on my vanity. Which is basically my Project Pan ones. I use this white chocolate chip every single day just for the white shade for my Project Pan. So all of these will be going down. The Utopian Dream, I will keep it out. Sugar Pop and Supreme Nudes I'll also be keeping out. Yucca can go in. Okay. So these are all going to be going in and y'all be seeing. Taking out the Major Dimension 3 because I like using this palette. Like, I love this. Groundworks will also be keeping out. I don't use this every single day, but like, oopsies, I hit y'all. I do use truffles every single day for my eyebrows. We're also gonna take out the Flamingo palette because it's my Project Pan and I need to use it every single day. And then all of these will be going into the drawer. Hopefully everything fits. I'm trying to take out palettes that I normally use because I know they're not all gonna fit. Okay, from the back, we're gonna take out the Cloud 9 palette. Well, I found some lashes and some setting sprays, so this will have to go in my drawer somehow. Found more sponges. I brought so much stuff. Found some eye cream, some liner palettes, powder. Yeah, I was really prepared. I don't know what for what I was. I feel like everything else can go inside the drawers. Brought this another eyeliner palette. Oh, over here has more makeup too. I have makeup remover. I have another loose powder. I have some gloss foundation. Why did I bring all this stuff? Like, honestly, what was I thinking? Like, there is no need for all this makeup and I'm only here for like a month maybe. Blush, highlight. I think that's it. Yeah, all these other palettes are gonna go down here, but now I have to reorganize my drawers. So somehow I have to figure out how to fit all of these things into these drawers, and these drawers are already full, so that's super cool. Why did I bring everything? Why did I do this to myself? Where did I think I was gonna go? I literally don't leave the house. Haven't left the house. So we're gonna put this lash glue in here because I need that and it won't fit. So you know what, at this rate, if it doesn't fit, it doesn't fit. I don't even care anymore. You know what, we're gonna stack stuff back here on the new products because it's not like I'm gonna even get to the new products, honestly. I just hope they don't roll off because that will suck. Okay, that already did. We're gonna put stuff, anything that I think I'm not going to use, we're just gonna lay it on top. I don't even got space. My sponge better come back up because I'm gonna forget that. Skincare things I just put over here. Like all the, are gonna go over here. We're gonna lay it on top. Okay, and for the most part I am done. These are all the palettes, so I'm leaving up here for now. And now we're gonna put all those palettes in this drawer. So this is how the drawer looks. It's really full. I can't even see all the palettes, but at least they're in a location and I had a hair there. But yeah, I brought a whole bunch of palettes. Again, I don't even know why. These I will be keeping up here just because I do need to use them. So I'm just gonna organize that like that. Honestly, this will stay up here because that's my eyebrows. And these, I don't know how I'm gonna organize this. These will probably just like stay back here with my contacts and stuff. Okay, that looks good for me. I'm gonna keep that there. And then that. So yeah, all my makeup is organized. For the most part, I did organize all my makeup. I feel a lot better now. Everything has a spot. I do plan on doing a makeup collection video when I go back to Georgia because that's where all my makeup is. And I do plan on doing eyeshadow palette declutter and stuff also when I get back. Those videos will not be out till maybe like end of June. Maybe. I don't know when I'm going back, honestly. Yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully it was entertaining. I don't know. It's just organizing makeup in 3 drawers, which honestly should have been 1, but I have a problem. I overpack makeup just to not wear makeup. Like literally this is my 2nd time wearing makeup since I've been here, and I think I've been here almost a week. Anyways, I'll see you guys in my next video.